In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline Gmail, a helpful feature that allows you to access your emails even when you're not connected to the internet. This can be particularly useful when you're traveling or in locations where internet connectivity is limited or unreliable. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're on the main Gmail page, look to the upper right corner of your screen for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on that. This will bring up a quick settings menu. Next, from this menu, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page with several tabs running across the top. These tabs allow you to customize a wide range of settings in your Gmail account. For our purposes, we'll focus on the Offline tab, so go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see options related to working offline. The key feature you're looking for is the Enable Offline Mail option. Clicking on this will activate the offline mode for your Gmail account. This option essentially allows your emails to be stored on your computer, meaning you can access them anytime you want, even without internet access. Once you enable offline mail, you'll need to decide whether you want to keep your offline data on your computer. You'll find the option titled Keep Offline Data on My Computer. When selecting this feature, remember that storing emails offline means that they'll be saved directly onto your device. This makes it easier for you to access and manage your emails, but it also means that people who have access to your computer might be able to see your saved emails. So it's important to ensure your computer is secure, especially if you're using a shared device. After you've made your choice regarding offline data, the final step is to save these changes. Locate the Save Changes button, usually at the bottom of the settings page, and click it. This confirms and applies all the modifications you've just made. And there you have it, your Gmail is now set up for offline use, allowing you to read, search and compose emails even when you're not online. Remember, while you can draft emails offline, they won't actually be sent until you reconnect to the internet. So, next time you're without a connection, you can still keep up with your emails, make notes and stay organized. This feature is an excellent way to ensure you're never truly out of the loop, and it provides a reliable way to manage your correspondence wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this Gmail feature as helpful as I do.